Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best hydraulic hose repair kit is probably one of the most important tools to have around if you work with hydraulic systems, whether it's on farm equipment, heavy machinery, or even in industrial settings. This kit can save you a lot of time, money, and frustration by allowing you to quickly and easily repair damaged hydraulic hoses instead of replacing them entirely. And this video will guide you through everything you need to know about choosing the right kit for your needs. Number 5. AKM Hydraulic Hose Repair Kit. This kit is a lifesaver for emergency repairs of hydraulic hoses. It's perfect for keeping on hand for quick fixes on the go. It includes 3 reusable repair kits for 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2 inner diameter hoses. Each component is designed for multiple uses. The zinc plating provides excellent protection against corrosion, ensuring it lasts. This means you can rely on it for many repairs. It's compatible with R2, R16, R17, and R19 2-wire steel-braided hydraulic hoses only. Please check your hose type before use. Remember, it's for use up to 4,000 psi and not suitable for all hose types. Always check the compatibility before using it. With this kit, you can quickly fix hydraulic hose issues on site, saving you time and money. Get back to work faster. It's perfect for equipment like tree trimmers, dozers, and snow plows. Keep it handy for unexpected repairs. What we like. This kit offers multiple sizes for versatile use. It's built to last thanks to its reusable design and corrosion resistance. If you need a reliable, long-term solution for various hydraulic hose repairs, this is the one for you. What people say. A must-have for anyone who works with hydraulics. Excellent quality. I had a large man lift go down because of a hose blowout. With the lift inoperable, it's impossible to replace the hose, so I used the 3/8 option. I used a Milwaukee 12V Sawzall with metal blade and it quickly cut the line. The outer fitting went on easy by hand to start and finish with an adjustable wrench. Inner insert went in easy and repeat for the other end. All in it took maybe 10 minutes to complete. I'm not sure this would be a long-term fix, but my hose is about toast, so I'll have another made and replace, but love that this piece is reusable. Was very skeptical about this, but worked just fine, saved me time and money, was very easy to install. Number 4. Western CK26 Hose Repair Kit. This kit is a must-have for any professional. Its convenient case makes it easy to transport and use on the go. The durable plastic case protects the contents and keeps everything organized. You'll always know where everything is. It features a full-color label for easy identification. Finding the right part is quick and simple. A detailed description chart is included for your convenience. It makes repairs straightforward and efficient. This kit has everything you need to tackle hose repairs. It's a comprehensive solution for all your repair needs. It's from Western Enterprises, a trusted name in welding supplies. You can count on its quality and reliability. What we like. It's easy to store and use thanks to its durable case and clear labeling. The commercial-grade quality ensures reliability. If you value organization and professional-grade tools, this kit is perfect for your needs. What people say. Come complete as described. The kit had everything I needed and worked perfectly. Kit is excellent overall. Well stocked and very complete. Number 3. Hydraulic Hose Repair Kit. This kit boasts a superior repair success rate compared to others. Its unique design ensures a reliable fix for your hydraulic hoses. It features an exclusive design you won't find anywhere else. This makes it the ideal solution for your hydraulic hose repair needs. It's compatible with R2, R16, R17, and R19 2-wire hydraulic hoses. Please check your hose type before ordering to ensure compatibility. Installation is simple and straightforward, requiring only basic hand tools. It fits 3/8-inch ID and approximately 0.69-inch OD hoses. It's perfect for emergency repairs on various equipment, from snow plows to tow trucks. It will keep you going until you can get a replacement hose. The zinc plating provides excellent corrosion resistance, making it reusable for multiple repairs. This saves you money in the long run. What we like. This kit boasts a superior repair success rate compared to others. Its unique design ensures a reliable fix. If you demand top performance and a reliable repair, this is the kit for you. What people say. High quality and easy to use. And the nice thing is it can be taken apart and reused once a permanent hose is made. Just the thing I needed to repair my broken hose on the side shift of my forklift. Holding up very well so far and saved me time and money for not having to get a long expensive replacement hose. This product is amazing. A few adjustable wrenches, rags and a hand hacksaw metal blade and you'll be in business in 30 minutes. Number 2. R2 Hydraulic Hose Repair Kit. This kit provides a reliable solution for repairing your hydraulic hoses. It's designed for quick and easy fixes in the field, saving you time and money. It boasts a higher success rate than competitors thanks to its unique design. You'll get a secure and long-lasting repair every time. It works with R2, R16, R17, and R19 2-wire hydraulic hoses. Please ensure your hose type is compatible before purchasing. It's designed for easy installation on 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2-inch ID hoses. The process is straightforward, even for those without extensive mechanical experience. It's perfect for emergency repairs on various equipment. Get your machinery back up and running quickly and efficiently. It's made with zinc plating for superior corrosion resistance. This makes it reusable, providing long-term value and reducing waste. What we like. It offers a high success rate with its unique design and covers multiple hose sizes. This ensures you're prepared for various repair scenarios. If you need a reliable solution for multiple hose sizes, this is the kit for you. What people say. Worked perfectly the first time I used it. Simple and easy to install with minimal tools. Excellent product for my emergency repair on my hydraulic hose which sprung a leak. Took me less than an hour to install and most of that time was spent pulling the hose out and finding a cutting tool that would create an even cut given the tractor was in the field and not in a shop with tools and power. These repair fitting are unreal. Saved me thousands of dollars, due to a bad hydraulic line, that went from the pump, under the tractor cab, to a manifold. I used this repair kit, and fixed the leak, without having to pull cab to replace the hose. Number 1. FJX 6-6 and MJ 6-6 Repair Kit. This kit is your solution for quick and easy on-site repairs of hydraulic hoses. It's designed to save you time and money. Inside, you'll find one FJX 6-6 and one MJ 6-6 fitting. These are perfect for 100 R2 at hydraulic hoses. This fitting is a crucial component, ensuring a secure and reliable connection for your hydraulic system. The MJ 6-6 fitting complements the FJX 6-6, providing a complete and effective repair solution. This kit is designed for straightforward use, even in challenging field conditions. Get your hydraulic system back up and running quickly. It provides a durable and reliable repair, ensuring the long-term performance of your hydraulic equipment. Repair your hydraulic hoses on-site, avoiding costly downtime and replacement expenses. It's a smart investment. What we like. This kit is designed for a specific 3/8 hydraulic hose, ensuring a precise fit. It's a simple, effective solution for a common repair need. If you need a quick and easy fix for a specific hose size, this is the right choice. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.